don't want to.
Okay, so, hi guys. It is the 5th of September. It is the first week, it's Monday of the first week of classes for a second year of journalism. And I'm just about to get ready to go to the very first class, which is this afternoon at 2:30. And it's information law, but it's in Spanish, so I guess it's Derecho de la Información, something like that. And then after that I have 3 hours, which means 2 1.5 hour classes of economics. And I am very excited. I'm not at all excited, I don't know why I said that.
Kristýna said she was just gonna go get a few things. And here we go.
I mean, well, I'm already here. I'm not gonna come tomorrow again, right?
Of course, of course.
It is count. Going to school. Not ready. It's Thursday, which means only Spanish classes. Yeah, as you can see, we're fresh.
Yeah.
No. I have a Spanish class now. I don't want to.
No, seriously?
Nice.
It looks pretty good compared to like the first one we made last time.
Look at those. We're making progress.
Kristýna is. Once again,
I'm struggling.
put too much in one.
No, and now like pull it like from here. No, where? Oh, yeah, I'm like.
The disappointment in it. Yeah.
Each time I picked the phone, I was scared because I didn't know what you were going to tell me. Es que te he dicho, ¿qué es eso? Y te he dicho algo de agua. Y yo,
Oh, actually.
no, sí, sí, now bien. Hay agua de agua, you know?
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Where is it?